I'm in a big I don't fucking know, dog. But let's see if that just worked. Okay. Stream is up there. No, I didn't want that. Ugh. Wow, I'm actually just about to stop using Raystream. Okay, there we go. But it's on the wrong stream. So it's like, what the fuck? Ugh, stream finished. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it, chat. Please no. Stop. I'm sorry, zombie. It's okay. Fist pumps in the air.
Oh, are people like, is it streaming now? Is it working?
Yeah. Well, it's streaming to Twitch.
Oh, okay. So we're just not doing YouTube.
Not right now.
Okay. What is the hold on. I guess I can just find this by searching for you on Twitch, but I'm not technically signed into Twitch right now. I guess I should be keeping Twitch open in case I can read Twitch chat messages if necessary.
I mean, you don't have to. I don't know why it's not. Delete. Delete that. Unschedule. Uh. Okay, delete that. Delete that. I heard all this yesterday. You right. You right. Yeah, I don't know.
Someone's saying they're out. Someone's leaving.
Oh, someone's leaving?
Says
No.
zombie. Zombie says she's leaving.
Ah, it's fine. You're alright. It's fine. It's gonna work.
You still have your vocoder on, by the way.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
I didn't even realize. My bad. Ugh. I didn't even fucking realize.
Oh wait, try do that, but with your vocoder on. Do the raspberry with the vocoder. it it pitch shifts. It changes the pitch.
Hell
It
yeah,
tries to make
brother.
it musical.
Okay, come on. I don't want to use the downloadable chat client.
Oh boy.
Is it done?
It's got less than a minute.
Less than a minute? Hells yeah, gamers. We're getting close.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting close. This is an early ass stream for my audience. They're just like, oh. I lost 148 frames. I dropped 148 frames. Well, sucks, chat.
Wait, so you're actually like on Twitch?
Yeah, I'm live on Twitch and YouTube.
It shows it's stuck showing starting soon on my screen.
Well, it's gonna say starting soon, yeah.
Oh, okay. It is live though. Is
Yes.
anyone saying stuff in chat? I'm not seeing chat messages.
Yeah, zombies in chat.
The last thing I saw in chat was Zombie saying, "Alright, I'm out."
Yeah, she's watching she's modding for a different channel. So that's probably what she's doing.
Does that mean that's like, were there any messages after that? I just want to know if I'm like getting a delayed Twitch experience or not.
No, no. Doesn't seem so, no.
It finished downloading.
Yay! Yeah, I'm still on starting soon because I'm starting soon. All right, so it should be working. And if it isn't, blame YouTube. YouTube is bad and cringe, to be clear. I fixed now, fine. Fuck off.
I agree. I agree very much.
All right. We're gonna do source control and shit. I don't need this project here. I just started a project last night just to like show that I could get into the game. I tried to use VS Codium again last night, C++ runner, and shit. Basically, I was doing a bunch of my development stuff onto my main system. Because I do want to have some of my development stuff on my main system.
Yeah, that's
like I want to do dev on my main system, but I'm also still in stinky Windows.
It's okay.
I know.
You could just use VS Code. It would probably work better with Unreal, honestly.
Well, they used Unreal requires Visual Studio 2022.
Ew. Oh no.
No, like requires.
Wait, what?
Yeah, because I think it uses the MSVC compiler, and basically they're just like, well, if people are coming into game development, we want to make it as easy as possible, so we're gonna require using the mainstream most well used and well understood IDE, and automatically bake it into like any C++ project that people use, which makes sense.
It's not going to require that for me, right? Because I'm on Linux. Like, I already have C compilers. I already have C and C++ compilers that come with Linux. Like, I don't need anything else to do it.
I have no fucking clue.
Okay.
You're like, do I really want to try and do that on fucking Linux?
You cannot get me to install the old Visual Studio, like Microsoft Visual Studio. Like,
I had to, bro.
That shit is even worse than VS Code.
I know, but it's like a mainstream type of thing. Like it's just like that's the most used in the industry.
Oh
And
my
it comes with
gosh.
its own C++ compiler. And that's only if you choose a C++ project. If you
You know
choose a
how like
Blueprint
you
project, you can still use C++ in there. And I don't think you have to have Visual Studio, but I wanted to start a C++ project. But honestly, we probably should
you,
start with a Blueprint one.
you know how like you joke about all of these like all of these like futuristic tech companies that cut themselves on the bleeding edge?
Yeah.
Well, I guess all of these like old-timey game studios, I guess, are out here giving themselves tetanus on like the rusted cleaver of innovation.
Yeah. Okay. That was a whole fucking sentence. I responded, yeah. But honestly, that was fucking baller, what you just said.
They're shooting that you can shoot yourself just as much in the foot by using incredibly outdated stuff. Like
Yeah.
Visual Studio, VS Code, it's yeah, it's kind of like moderately spyware, maybe you can
No, it's
argue, but
spyware.
yeah, it kind of is.
It
But it is
literally samples all of the code built in it and uses it to train GitHub Copilot.
oh, definitely spyware then. Yeah. But
Yeah.
at least you could say modern. It is modern. Visual
Yeah.
like old Microsoft Visual Studio isn't even that. It is so clunky and outdated.
I have a
It's
question, Ivo.
what?
How many production environments have you been in where they've used anything for anything past C++11?
Honestly, for like professional work, we've never done like how should I say? Most for professional work, I've never really used anything with the Microsoft product suite for development. All of it has been using like JetBrains.
Well, yeah. I mean, you're deeper into the AI areas, and they don't use any. They don't.
No, this was before I even started my master's program.
Oh,
Back when I just worked at like enterprise dev, it was just the JetBrains suite. Like we didn't use Microsoft development suites. Let
hear
me show
me
you
out
the demo.
though.
This
Is
is
that
what we use.
because you're doing mainly Java?
I mean, no, JetBrains has like an actual C.
They do, yeah. The Sea
They
Lion.
have a C. Yeah, they have a C Lion and they have Python.
Okay. All right.
Like this is here. Let me show you.
I
Let me
have
just show
limited
you.
knowledge. I am showing my limited knowledge. Hello. Hi, chat. I'm showing my limited knowledge here.
Look at JetBrains. I sent you.
Yes.
Actually, I quite like this suite. It was pretty good, like enterprise stuff, but it's also kind of very vanilla. Like this stuff is good quality vanilla stuff.
Yeah. Java and Kotlin these nuts. I have to, right? You know?
Okay, let's see.
Jabba the Hutt. Also, anybody who shows up in YouTube chat, I'm sorry. I don't know if it's gonna fucking show the chat on stream. So, you know, we love YouTube. Or we love YouTube. We want to switch over to YouTube, but all my community is basically on Twitch, and live streaming is mostly on Twitch now, so can't really do that. But I mean, hopefully one day I'll be able to stream just kind of exclusively on YouTube, and it'll be chill. Especially since I'm streaming at 1440p 60 FPS.
Who are you talking to? Like, who is in chat? Nobody's talking in chat.
Okay,
Or are they talking in
Ivo.
the YouTube chat?
God damn it. This is the illusion, Ivo. That's the thing. That's the
What?
thing about Twitch streaming is the majority of streaming is continuous conversation starters until conversation. You just talk to yourself. You just think out loud.
Oh.
And then that gives people an entry point into the conversation.
Oh,
So,
I see.
yes.
So, okay.
So, yeah, I'm talking to myself.
I'm so sorry. I just was like, who are you talking to?
Who are you
talking like,
to, dog? The ghost in the shell?
God and the machine.
I'm being a good streamer, okay?
You know more about streaming than I do.
Yeah, because I mean, would you want to like start chatting in a stream where somebody's just like not talking?
No. Especially
Exactly.
not if that person was just talking to themselves. Or no, rather, especially if that person was just like not talking at all either.
Yeah. So like if you're talking about what you're doing and you're talking about, you know, different stories and stuff, people can, when they hop in, they see that you're like talking about stuff and they get interested. They're like, "Oh, I'm going to check out this stream because I'm interested in what they're doing." So I hop in, I check out what they're doing. Maybe they'll start hearing what you're talking about, and maybe at some point they'll have something to say. And when they do, they'll chat.
I tried sending a chat.
Oh, get wrecked. Is it on YouTube?
What do you mean? Yeah, it's on YouTube.
I am so angry with Restream right now because I actually can't see YouTube chats. I have my chat consolidated.
I'm just watching it on my laptop.
Yeah. Okay, I'm bringing the YouTube chat into my OBS. I didn't want to open DaVinci Resolve. That's not good, chat. Hold on. Everybody relax. Everybody relax. Things might break, but it's okay. Oh, it's all good. What was I doing? Yes, that's what I was doing. Okay. Now I can see YouTube chat.
Why is zombie not?
She's modding for another Twitch streamer that's she's got responsibilities to do that, so. Oh.
Okay, I sent a message in Twitch.
Now Ivo's in Twitch chat. Hello, Ivo.
I'm in both chats just so that I can read
She's in
what
both.
people say. If people say.
Okay. Are we ready?
How do I actually launch this? Binaries, Linux.
I don't know how you launch it. I was just going to launch it through the Epic Games launcher.
I don't even know if I have that.
What?
Maybe it's like... Are you not supposed to be able to launch without the Epic Games launcher?
No, you should be able to. Let me see. Well, it's going to be different for me.
I think I just downloaded the loose source files.
Huh. Okay. Let's see. The wonders of game development. Or whatever. Oh, fuck it. We're going to... Oh, why did I use that keybind? I should have used my scene switching. Not smart chat.
What if I just try to run a random executable in Unreal Game, Linux debug game, Unreal Game, Unreal Editor?
I'm guessing Unreal Editor
Uh,
would be it.
There's also, oh yeah, Unreal Editor. Okay, let me try running this.
We hate Epic Online services.
Oh, it's working!
Hell yeah, brother! Oh, shit. I didn't shit myself, I promise. Need a
Wow! It's
wow!
here. I see it. I see it.
Hell yeah, brother.
And I can load, I guess just like, there are a few sort of like prefab projects. There's first person, third person,
Yeah.
top down games, recent projects
I think
from Video Live
you
events.
should launch the project and then set up the GitHub repository.
Which kind of like,
I kind of want first person.
okay.
Just first person. Nothing crazy.
What do you want to name it?
Well, what was your idea? Because I know I had an idea. I told you about it, but what was your idea?
My idea is to start with something very, very simple. You said something about like doors and within
Yeah.
doors within doors.
No. Just all the interesting ways to open a door.
Okay.
That's the premise. It's mostly because, like, you know how tactical games, they have so many different ways to open doors, right? I want to try and explore that while also doing like wacky stuff, just like fun ways to open a door. It's more of an exploratory thing and actually like making it fun. But also just like an exploratory project to like figure out that. It's like you know, it teaches locomotion and you know, maybe animations for the character and you know, interaction zones and like interactions systems and stuff like that. It teaches a lot of stuff. But what was your idea?
One of the best, just really simple projects you can start out with whenever you do like 3D game development is Rollaball. You just make a sphere, you make some platforms, you program how to control rolling a ball, and you make like little coins for you to collect.
All right.
But we can also do doors. I guess that's not too complicated actually. And with the assets that we get for first person,
Yeah.
should be pretty. Ugh, this keeps crashing.
Oh, Unreal's crashing for you?
Yeah.
I don't want to say it.
This is not. I blame project bloat. Like, this is what happens when you make a 60 gigabyte game engine and like you're trying to port it to a bunch of different platforms. Just keep
Okay.
it simple, keep it sweet, and it just works. Godot just works.
Yeah, that is fair, but also, I mean, Unreal Engine is pretty cool. It does a lot of good stuff. I mean, it's like an industry leader. Like it's actually like really good. As much as I want to be like, as much as I want to hate on Epic, I think Unreal Engine is a really good project.
Let's try creating this project now.
She doesn't want to respond to what I said. I'm sorry, Ivo. I'm disappointing my master, my mentor. Come on, though. F.
You know my opinions. There's no point in barking up the wrong tree.
I know. Just like, please.
We're still using it. I'm still using it.
I know. I think it's a really cool piece of software. Shit. I mean,
What's
fucking.
wrong?
Oh, you just didn't respond. I was like, oh, okay. Edge.
I mean, I'm not going to like lie and say I agree.
What's the fucking pixel-based topology
Ooh,
thing?
you have my attention. Pixel topology?
Yeah, it's basically like any topology that's lower than the size of a pixel, it automatically combines into
Oh, in Unreal.
nanite. Nanite is really cool. Bro, come on.
Okay, you know what? Maybe this is like okay, it's still compiling shaders for me, by the way, so this is gonna take a while. But maybe the reason we have such like differing opinions on this is because when I think about like the kinds of games I would want to make, they are not at all like I'm not trying to mimic or match AAA standards. Like personally, I like a lot of indie games. I like a lot of the indie charm. I don't feel like I don't feel like games need to be visually or mechanically impressive.
Silver, thank you for the sub.
What are those?
Game engine. Sorry. You are right.
Maybe this is because I think that you really like Unreal because you want to be able to make impressive games that Unreal is capable of making. But for me, there's no real incentive. There's nothing that I gain from using Unreal that I wouldn't have otherwise gained from using simpler engines.
That's fair. My only
I
thing
think
is
that's
like,
yeah.
I'm not necessarily trying to go for okay. So again, thank you, Silver, for the 10 months. That's baller. 10-month sub. What I do mean to go for is performance. And Nanite, I think, is one of the best workflow efficiencies and performance efficiencies that has happened in the last 20 years of game development. Now, hear me out.
Mm-hmm.
You know how 3D models are made, right?
Yes.
You make a model, you texture it, but you can't just throw that into a game engine, because some of these models, if you like sculpt them and stuff, can have millions of polygons for just one model. And that's very difficult for a game engine or anything really to run and interact with in real time. So what do?
Mm-hmm.
You create levels of detail, and you create normal maps, and you create bump maps, and you create all of these different textures that allow you to mimic all of that ingrained detail with a much higher performance just by baking in those little things. Now, what Nanite does is really cool. So this is something they showed off when they were first showing off on Unreal Engine 5, is they were literally taking a model from ZBrush, a you know, what's it called? A sculpting
Like
program
yeah, like a sculpted project,
with
which
over
tend to have
30 million
yeah,
polygons.
they tend to be much higher in like polygon and vertex count because when you're sculpting, you're not really thinking about creating assets for game engines. You're
Yeah,
just in a way, it's almost like you're making like
you're making the
movie
high quality
assets.
version of the model that would be used to create the normal maps,
Mm.
and bump maps and stuff like that. Now, what Nanite does is allows game developers to, instead of doing normal maps and levels of detail, so having to create 5 different models that are the same model but at different levels of visual fidelity, so like less polygons, and it switches those, and that causes pop in games. That's what you see whenever you see like you're running up to an object, and it just like out of nowhere it'll like switch to a higher definition version, and you can see that, and that's what we perceive as pop in, right? This is why I find
I
Nanite
understand.
so baller, is because it
Yeah.
automatically does that LOD and polygon optimizations real time. So you can
I
actually just
suppose
take a model from ZBrush and import it into Unreal Engine, convert it to a Nanite object, and it just works. Now, this is all a supporting what you were saying earlier about I want to make, like more AAA looking games. I don't actually. What I do want is the workflow improvements of Nanite, and
I
also
I
the
was going to
performance
say,
improvements.
hold on. I was going to say you're right in that these advancements they don't only provide improvements for like AAA games. These improvements can be applied to pretty much like any asset.
Yeah.
Even if you're like intentionally going for like a low poly art style,
Yeah.
which I guess that's pretty cool.
Yeah. And that's just one of the technologies within Unreal Engine 5. So, do you know how video
I
games
really
do
like
like
their
explosions?
I really like their model human projects.
Yes. That
I
stuff too.
really like that. I
And they
like that
have
a
like
lot.
a procedural animation systems and stuff like that
Yeah,
that allows
that is
like
really nice.
automatic hand placement of characters on objects in the world and stuff like that, and a whole bunch of different things, right? um that's all extremely cool, and they release a lot of their animation packs for free and stuff like that, and animation examples and all of that for free, which is cool and based. um so I was just gonna say that's just Nanite. Nanite, I'm just talking about Nanite when I'm talking about all that, polygon um uh, averaging in real time. Lumen, I mean, it's just global illumination. It can be used in combination with Nanite to get like actual pixel level accuracy um for shadows on objects. So that's cool. My brain hurts. It's okay, Silver. It's okay. You're fine. Um, we're going to
I
be
thought
doing
the
game
Lumen
dev.
I thought the Lumen project was pretty cool too.
I mean, it's cool, but it's not as cool as Nanite to me.
Yeah, yeah, it's Nanite is more impressive like technology wise.
And I've seen Lumen. Lumen has a lot of issues with noise. Um,
Um,
so
so
that's another thing. It's just like, oh, okay.
I was gonna say, like, I agree with you. Unreal does have a lot of these really cool features that no other game engine does. And it's, I think it's, you're probably coming at this from a perspective of like, I want to try those features. I want to see them. I want to use them. I want to like play with them. My, I guess
Make a game already? True. I'm waiting on Iva because I want her to create the project, and then we're gonna have to figure out source control, and then we get into making game. It's a hard process, Silver. It takes years.
It's saying compiling shaders 35%. It's been stuck at 35% for like 10 minutes because it had like 8,000 artifacts to process, and it's down to like 1,000.
Well, you're getting to the thick boys now. You know, fuck it. I'll launch Unreal Engine so that you guys can look at it. Dismiss.
Oh, I'm under 1,000, sub 1,000.
Hell yeah. So
is Silver? Hold on, I'm curious. Is Silver Glider like one of your regulars? Is he like
Yeah.
a friend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He's actually the person that gave me access to Hellblade 1.
Oh, nice.
Because he had the Humble Bundle.
It's very thoughtful and generous.
Yeah. He's great. We love Silver in this chat. Chat, we love Silver.
Hi, it's me. I'm Chad.
Hello. You're breaking the illusion again. God damn it. God damn it.
It's so sus, yes. One of Digital's patrons.
That is true. But like, okay, so to continue on a little bit. Day and Night is cool.
It's almost done.
Hell yeah, brother.
Compiling, oh shit. Compiling global shaders. Oh boy, here we go. Another like 5,000 artifacts.
Hell yeah, brother. Okay, so Lumen is cool. Lumen interacts quite well with Nanite, which is cool. Also, I don't know if I think that it's ending this year, but Unreal Engine 5 released with free access to Quixel Megascans in Unreal projects.
Oh, what is Quixel?
Quixel is a company that Epic owns now. They did Megascans, so they'll like go out into the woods and shit and take like extremely high detail photo scans of just anything. Rocks, trees, fucking boulders, dirt, shit like that. They would create assets from that. So everyone knows we barely touch TIFFs. Barely's, I'm putting it lightly, but sure. Sorry, that was a Silver. He commented.
That's okay.
So that's cool. I mean, that's really nice. Like having access to, you know, I'm the only one. I didn't say it. Welcome back, zombie. So Quixel, that's cool, right? They had their automatic human maker thing. Human face maker thing. Thanks, giggity. Nice. I can't remember what it was called. I don't know.
I think I don't remember, but I think I just remember it as like Unreal Humans, but
something like that.
Okay, it's at 96%. Oh, it launched.
Hell yeah, brother.
Okay. So it's made a project. There's a lot of assets in here. Let's look at what the project folders look like for this project called Doors.
Doors.
Saved it into my documents folder, Unreal Projects. Here's Doors. Okay.
Doors.
There's content.
Wait, actually.
I don't know what all needs to be included to do like version control. Like I don't know what there's this like U project document.
I don't know.
Intermediate derived data cache. We probably don't need that.
Oh,
There's
wait, in the bottom
config
right. Revision control.
and content. So is that like what is that managed with?
It says connect to revision control. Connect to revision control for tracking changes to your content and levels. Provider Git.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let's see. I need
Okay,
to
Git path. I don't know what to do with all that.
Unreal Engine crashed for me again.
Fuck. Unreal Engine, please stop being cringe on Linux. We could do Godot too.
I'll give this like another valiant effort.
Another thing about Unreal is okay, yeah. You know how explosion effects work in video games? It uses something called billboards. It's just basically a flat texture.
Yeah.
That faces towards the player.
Mm-hmm.
And it just plays an animation. Well, Unreal Engine 5.2, I think, added real-time volumetric explosion effects.
Nice.
I don't know exactly the system of how they did it. I need to watch a video on it. But they like added the ability to do actual like importing from like particle system generators. What is it called? Starts with an H.
Sorry, Unreal just crashed again. I don't.
Oh, shit. All right, we're going to Godot. Everything that was great about Unreal, dead. Dead. Fuck Unreal. It's the worst engine ever created. We're getting Godot. Tell me where to go.
Godot is a lot easier to get set up.
Godot. Download latest. Oh, didn't post an announcement? Yeah, I didn't. Twitch. Copy link. I need to go to my YouTube stream. Where's my YouTube stream? Where share?
Sources. Paste.
Where is it? Where's my stream? Where can I share my stream? Why does it not give a fucking link? Oh, there it is. There we go. There we go. I posted it. We're good. Hashtag professional. Hey. Okay, do I download latest?
Yeah.
Download latest. Godot Engine, GodotEngine.net.
Just Godot Engine. You don't need .NET.
We hate .net here.
Let's see. Let's call this doors.
Okay, how do I install?
It's literally just a binary. It's an executable. Unzip it, and then you just run it. Put it wherever you want.
There it is. So I can just do Win64. Oh, I guess console is just like a console version. Okay. Godot. Import existing project. Can I do it from a source control?
Let's see. I can set it up and then
Yes. I will wait. Kebab case?
what is kebab case?
I have no fucking idea. I mean, it's a snake case, camel case, Pascal case, title case. I don't know what title case, but I know the rest of those. Kebab case?
I've never heard of that. I don't know what. Create a new. You want it to be a 3D project, right?
Yeah. What is kebab case? I swear to God.
Sorry, I'm focusing.
No. I was reading an article on the server side, your enterprise Java community. Okay. Chat, I'm gonna be real. I was gonna hate is gonna now I want a doner kebab. Thank you, Digital. You're welcome.
I love doner kebab. Let's go doner kebab.
Let's fucking
Yeah.
go. Looking at kebab case, I want to die.
Is it cringe?
Look,
Wait, I want to look.
Look at
I
this.
want to look this up. What is kebab case? Ew.
That's so gross. Bro, if you're doing dashes in your fucking variable names, go back to school. Elementary school. Eat my ass.
All my homies hate hyphens. Underscores only. Underscores only.
Kebab case was made by people who are full stack JavaScript developers.
I've never even seen anyone use dashes. Okay, wait, actually, exception. Dashes are very frequently used in like shell commands and like shell scripts.
That's cringe, but not as cringe as like, could you imagine doing that in C++? Oh my God. What is title case? What is title case? Title case is style
made in projects, Godot, doors. So now I need to figure out how to like upload this as like a Git project. If I load project.godot, cancel, open with home. Wait, what? Home.
Why are we in offline mode? Cancel.
Version control. Here we go. Create version control metadata. Okay.
This is a Minecraft AW asset library.
Yeah. I mean, this is for indie development. You're not gonna get like AAA stuff with this, but
that's fine.
That's okay with me because I don't really want AAA quality.
I don't want AAA quality because that sounds like a lot of work.
Version control settings. No VCS plugins available in project. Install VCS plugin to use in VCS integration features. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, hold on 1 second.
Ooh, there's a
Wait.
video.
So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to make our project version control ready. Normally when you create a new project
Hey,
in Godot,
Didge,
you
I gotta head out soon. I'll be back, but we're taking a break for lunch.
Bruh.
Well, hey, listen, this isn't a paid lesson, so I'm not.
I'll pay. I'll pay right now.
No,
I'm kidding. Go have lunch.
okay.
I'll try and make the project. I'm
I
gonna
can
try and
try to
just do something.
Okay. Yeah, you do that. I'll try to figure out like how to do.
Baby steps. We are doing baby steps.
When you set up a repo on GitHub, when presented, type in Godot
Version
program.
control metadata. Git. Awesome. Okay. Create folder. That. Okay. Create and edit. Godot gaming engine. Okay. 3D scene.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. I know what I need to do.
Okay. Project. Version control. Control settings.
There we go. Git has been initialized.
Oh yeah. What language does Godot use?
It uses its own language called GDScript,
Oh shit.
similar to Python.
Oh okay.
I'm gonna just add all files for now because I don't know what we don't want yet. Git commit. I'm gonna make a commit and I'll call it initial upload.
Quit to project list. Don't save.
Git push. No configured push destination. Oh, git remote add. And I will make a repo on Codeberg.
Hell yeah.
Fuck. I need
Loading
my
with
Codeberg
threads.
password.
Wee. Hmm. 3D resolution scaling demo. Oh, that's cool. Only problem with programming, I have too many languages. Well, some of them are just, you can just like ignore them, right? Like, you can just ignore JavaScript. You can just ignore it. You don't need that. You don't need JavaScript. What else can you ignore? I mean, C#, maybe. It's either you can ignore C# or you can ignore Java. You can ignore assembly. Unless you're fairly high functioning autism. That's not ableist. That's just true. That's the truth of it. Oh, are you gone, Ivo, or are you focusing?
I'm focusing.
She's focusing. What other languages can you ignore? I mean, Lua, probably. I mean, Lua's cool, though. Lua's kind of cool. Python is cool. Again, JavaScript, you can just like not, you know? Like JavaScript isn't real. C++? Now C, you know, you can code in C, right? You can code in C. You can drive a McLaren, right? You can drive an F1 car. You know? Are you going to smash into the barrier at Mach fuck? Maybe. Most likely. It's just annoying. Base logic behind them is the same. It makes no sense. It diverges so much. Well, to an extent, yeah. I understand that. I think the biggest reasons why it diverges so much is, well, different languages are trying to do different things, trying to address different issues. So C is the language that everybody codes in, but they don't know it yet. You know? Assembly is also the language that everybody codes in and they just don't know it. C included in that list. C++ is just trying to implement object orientation to C. Honestly, I want to be real. I actually kind of like it. I like C++. I've been mostly working in C++ recently, but you know, C++. I'll just create a new project, a new game project, version control Git. We're just gonna try and figure something out. So create a root
Hey,
node.
I got it working. I got it working.
Okay. Quit the project list.
There's our code repo.
Hells yeah.
Account.
I have a Codeberg account.
Okay. I've probably it's complicated to actually download this repo and like start working in it, but I can show you later after lunch.
Okay. You enjoy lunch.
Okay. All right. See you later. Bye.
See ya, gamer. Okay. We're gonna watch this video.
To choose between Git or not a version control provider. In this case, we have to add it later. So we go to project, version control, create version control metadata, and create a version control metadata for Git.
C++ is not the most accessible. You are correct. You are correct. You are very correct there. Because, yeah, C++ is not very accessible at all. Hence why I use so many course and educational plans. Yeah, I see the person I've been doing stream with who just went to lunch. How dare you? Huh. She is an actual computer scientist, not like computer software engineer working in the field of computer science, like actual like hired by university scientist. And she's teaching me. I've been paying her to do lessons. Right now she's in the middle of grad school, so she can't really do lessons with me right now, but she's baller. She knows how to make computers see. And that's scary. So, that's crazy. And she's been teaching me, and C++ is, we went from C, which, by the way, C is actually the most unapproachable fucking language in the world. It is so unimaginably easy to make everything bad and wrong in C. If you don't have a lot of experience in other languages and a lot of practice in the foundations of it, don't. If you don't understand a lot of computer science, don't fucking touch C. If you do, well, Bob's your uncle. Remember, everybody, stir and copy, not stir copy. We're not amateurs here. We're not cringe. Even though I use stir copy. I didn't say I was good at this, right? C is more unapproachable than C++ IMO. Well, I guess C is like easier to the foundations are easier to understand. It's not a large language. There's not a lot of keywords and stuff. Things are it's relatively simpler to understand in C rather than C++. But I think they're both fucked. Okay, C is easy to grasp, but also ungodly easy to just fuck everyone. Just so easy. I love you, Butter. Butter's the GOAT. He just messaged me. He was like, wish I could watch the stream, but I'm at work. Hope it's a good one. Sorry. I was responding to him. He's baller. C is much easier to get into and understand, the keywords and stuff like that. That's it. Because actually making a program that's good, that is memory safe. You want to know? Okay, here we go. For anybody who knows in the chat, I'm gonna bring up VS Codium. Here's my program. I'm not going to be able to actually compile anything because it does all this bullshit. It does all that bullshit, and I'm just trying to figure out how to set up the compiler in VS Codium, and I might just switch back to VS Code and remove VS Codium because it's cringe. But let me just fucking leave this workspace. Fucking new file. No. New. Just open folder. Fucking yeah, sure, fine. There you go. New file. C. Main.c. There you go. In new folder. Yeah, there you go. You want to know what? Int. Wait, I can't remember what C is. Int main. I think that might be it. I mean, it's basically just C++, but without objects, right? So, int main. You want to see how easy it is to create a fucking memory, a memory unsafe language or a memory unsafe program. There you go. There you go. There you go. It's gone. You had me in the first half. There you go. Dunskies. Look at that. Memory unsafe. What's worse is if you like fucking allocated like 20. Don't do this. I think it's standard IO for C. I can't remember. But like, there you go. Memory unsafe language. Get fucked. Now in C++, don't save. We hate this bitch. Get this fucking bullshit out of here. Let's fucking new file, main.cpp. We're gonna do hashtag include IOStream fucking int main fucking here we go. You can still do char star string, and like you could still do that. Like it's still basically C. Like everything you can do in C is shit. But you can also do things like hashtag include memory and do like fucking fucking and you could do hashtag include string, right? And then you can do string fucking yo boys equals fucking make underscore unique fucking and gotta assign a type string and then a constructor, so you can just input like hello world, and then cout oh, by the way, also unique. Well, I guess I gotta do std unique ptr, and then I gotta of type string, yo boys make unique string, hello world, cout yo boys, and then endl endl, right? And this won't compile, so I can't actually show you. But it works. Wait, no, it doesn't. I have to do std : and then std : and there you go. Maybe that'll compile. No, it won't. See, what if I just use VS Code? Fucking VS Code, just fucking Visual Studio Code. It's spyware. Don't get this. It's genuinely just fucking spyware. Too many STDs? True. Add to path. Require shell restart. I don't care about any of that. Stall. Virus confirmed? Honestly, it is. Like, to be clear, this is a virus, basically. Finished, launched VS Code. Mark done. I don't give a fuck. Let's get an extension. C++. C and C++. I do a better C++ syntax. And that's basically it. Let's open a folder. Fucking test dev, new folder, select folder. Yeah, I trust the officer. Yes. Go here. Right. Here we are. It's not undefined. Wait, it is. There you go. It works. Yay! C++, GCC. Debug anyway. Okay. Fucking debug. No! I don't want to use C++ runner session. Oh my god. Configurations UI. Windows GCC. That. Yes, that. Fucking this. C++ 23. Yes, all of this. Use this. Yes. Okay, CMake tools too. Alright, fine. Fuck you. What is it? I think it's dereference operator. And then that'll work. Maybe. I don't want to use the C++ runner debug session. Use fucking C++ Windows. There you go. Yeah, sure, Clang. No. I will die. See? This is what makes programmers go fucking insane. Okay, fuck off. Okay. Delete all of these. They're gone. There. Play. G++. There it is. It works. Look at that, chat. It said hello world. See? What you can do. I want this to be larger. Sorry, chat. I know. Don't be angry. Let's do using std : unique underscore pointer, and then using no std : cout, std : and l, std : make underscore unique, and then just cap that off. And then what you can do, oh yes, also std : string, and then you can just like remove all this bullshit. You can remove all that. See, now code looks a little better. Now you're not using the devil of raw pointers. You can use unique pointers, and it's great. Why am I dropping frames on my network? Chat, are you still there? Are we still there? Is it because I was downloading something? I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. I don't know these things. Sure. Cool. You know, this is a good game development stream. This is a great game development stream. All right. Let's go fucking uninstall VS Codium. Fucking uninstall. VS Codium, uninstall. Yes. Don't know if your teacher told you, but add notes to all your strings, or you'll go crazy when troubleshooting. What do you mean? I'm scared. I'm scared. Somebody who actually knows what they're talking about is coming in and telling me what to do, and I'm just a dipshit. I don't know how to do any of this bullshit. The only thing I know how to do is I like here. I made this. Fucking delete that. Move to recycle bin. VS Code. Fucking delete all that shit because it's all fucked. All of it is bad and wrong. Fuck off. It says so many errors, but there's not errors. Rescan workspace. Rescan workspace. There you go. No errors. All of this is correct. That's cool. I should probably do that. But fuck off. Check this out. Oh. Yes. That's a thing we were doing. Okay, hopefully that'll just make this work again. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, what did I do? Is the particle system constructor. Fucking hell. So doing it in main. No. Come on. Oh, what did I do here? What did I do here? Ugh. Okay. So what did I change about this to make this not do what I want it to do? Okay. Fuck. Make unique height width. So that's doing exactly what I think it should be doing. Oh. Why? Why do you hurt me so? Why do you hurt me so? Coding. Because this should... I don't know why it's not doing what I expect it to do. Yeah, this is my code. Is it just not recompiling? Oh, it should be. Let's just comment that out and comment that out. What? Okay, 21 allocations. Why? Why? Is it not doing main? While running. Uh. This should be doing what I want it to do. Okay, where the fuck is it getting to in here? Okay. We're getting here. 4 into I. Well, yes. Row.reserve. Reserve the row. Oh, I shouldn't have stepped over. What does the row look like? Fucking. Ugh. Okay, so it's going through the for loop. It's doing what it should be doing. It's doing what it should be doing right now. Okay. It should update the particles. Okay. Update particles. Okay, so is it just having an issue here? If int j is equal to 0, j is less than width, j plus plus. So for row in place back, make shared particle j I 0 is the particle constructor something that I'm missing? Lifetime shape s. Okay, so it's taking in x pause, y pause, lifetime, and shape. Okay. So that's the constructor. Okay. Reference to a particle system, which, okay, yeah, that's correct. What the fuck is going on with count? Why is count just going to the moon and back? See out particle system. Oh. Okay, let's go look at this. So this is an operator overload for the particle system. For vector shared particles, row system particles. It's fine. You sound like a badass right now. It's not that cool. Like it's not that cool. R6 particle 0 dot capacity. So that's the size of the first row of the particle system. For vector shared particle address of row. So that's basically like what I'm actually looking at right now. Particle system, particles. So I'm getting the particles. So basically the list of particles in the particle system. And then I reverse that if I want to do basically like, basically this right here is like, do I want to have the particles come from the top or come from the bottom? And then for shared particle P of row OS P shape, then return OS, obviously, outstream. Okay, that's doing what it should be doing. That's not different than what I would expect it to do. Row in place back, make shared particle. I mean, that should work. Okay, I'm gonna look in here. Got a breakpoint there. Okay. If j is less than width, or int j equals 0, j is less than width. True. J plus plus. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, I'm not debugging that. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, row, standard vector base, Vector base and start. Give me a fucking configure. No. Show me main. Particle system. Particles. Tuple. Why is there a fucking tuple? Who the fuck cares about tuples? We don't like tuples. Tuples are cringe. Oh yeah, that's going into the standard libraries. We don't go in there, chat. That's where the wizards. That's for the wizards. We don't talk to them. Make shared particle. So particle, the address of that, the address of this, or yeah, the address of that, just an int and a character, and all of this does that. So what's the fucking issue? Why is it not allocating these? Step into. Oh, okay, that was a bad idea. We shouldn't have stepped into here. Chat. We should don't look. This will hurt your eyes. Reserve with edit configuration UI. Yes, I will change it. GCC x64. Okay, we're not using C standard C17. We're using C3023. Okay. Let's fucking rescan the workspace. Let's try running that. Let's just fucking continue. Why? What is row? It's a vector of shared pointers to particles. What's the issue? Oh. Ooh. I'm okay. Everything's okay. Okay. Vector of vectors to... Okay, what? Particles. Particles is that. So particles, this is the constructor. So this is building the particles. A vector to of vectors of shared pointers to particles. Okay, that is correct. I'm making a shared pointer of that. Height and width. Oh. What the fuck? There we go, chat. That's what it should look like. There it is. Ugh. Why did that have to take so fucking long? What a crock of shit, dude. So yeah. That's how easy C++ is. I forgot. See, basically we were trying to, as like a lesson topic, we were trying to multi-thread this application. And this was a bunch of stuff. See right here, this is what we call in the biz variable initialization. But there's a thing you can do in C++ is where you can add a colon after the definition or the declaration and initialize all the variables just up here. So you don't have to do it in the body of it. That helps because it doesn't, you don't need to like you don't need to, there's no copying going on here. It's basically just taking the reference variable and loading it and basically just like loading it into the height variable. And there's reasons this is good and reasons there's not, that this is not good. So basically I was doing it in here and I commented it out because we were doing a bunch of testing and stuff to try and multi-thread allocations, which is very tricky to do, actually. And so, yeah. That's why it didn't work. And I can do this. I can do that right there. Why? SCD ranges views. No, it's SCD views ranges. Ah, I got this working. Got this working a while back. And now it's just not. Fucking get rid of that. Breathe. Pain. Using the newest version of the C++ compiler. And that's the link to the compiler. These are all legacy fucking compilers. Microsoft or Windows fucking x64, GCC, STD views, reverse. It should work. Abort. Why? Why is this? Ugh. Oh, I was back. Welcome back.
Hi.
Did you see what I'm
Did-
showing on my stream?
Let's see. Looks like VS Code,
Yeah.
particle system.
Yeah, I was showing off the particle system.
Okay.
I was showing
Did you
everybody.
get a chance? Oh, cool. Did you get a chance to try out like Git version control and management?
Silver says, "Welcome back, Sensei."
Oh.
Because I told everybody you're my teacher and tutor.
Oh, well, thank you.
Oh
Did you
man,
get a chance to try out Git?
I have not, because I didn't
Okay.
even know where to start. I shouldn't even say that,
Uh-huh.
because I brought up a video to watch, and I didn't watch it because I was just talking about how there are some languages you just don't need to know. Because Silver was like, "This is what I don't like about programming. There's so many different languages," and I'm like, "There's just some languages you don't need to know, like JavaScript."
Yeah, you really don't ever need JavaScript. Like, okay, plebs will tell you you need JavaScript. Gamers will tell you there are tools that can do the same thing that JavaScript can do for the purposes that JavaScript was originally good at and was the original only competitor in the market for. But now it's not the only one, and you can achieve what JavaScript used to only be able to be what JavaScript used to be only able to do now with other tools.
What she said.
Um, let's practice. Let's do Git so that way. Okay. What sorts of changes have you made to like the project directory
Uh,
for the Godot game?
None.
None. Okay, that's fine because we can set up your Git version control system with it.
Oh yeah.
I know that you're streaming. You're already streaming on Twitch, but there's like a delay. If you stream like through Discord, will that still work?
Let's see. Does it work? It might.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No permission. I do not have permission to watch your stream.
Oh.
Oh, now I can watch it. Okay, it's working. It's
Oh.
working.
Okay. Cool. Awesome.
So, to do version control in Godot, we're gonna do this the old-fashioned way,
Okay.
which means terminal.
Terminal.
So, do you have a project set up already?
No.
Okay. First of all, let's just go to your file explorer. Let's preemptively just make a directory that we can put this project into.
Godot.
Okay, so you have a Godot projects folder.
Projects.
Okay. Now, what you can do is you can highlight this directory in the file explorer. You're going to do change directory to that one. Okay. Now, let's hope that Microsoft comes with Git commands by default.
They use
But you're
winget. So I think you can do Pac-Man.
No, that's for package management.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
This is for Git commands, which are different.
Let's
They're
see.
not package management. So hold on. Let me send you the first Git command to write. You're gonna try to do this: Git clone, and then the URL, the Git URL of our project. All that as like one command. Yeah. Okay, so this is this means that Windows does not natively come with Git. So
Hey,
we're gonna
Windows,
have to download
go
Git.
fuck yourself.
We're gonna have to download Git for Windows. You know, I used to be the type of person who's like, "Oh no, I don't know how to do Git in my command prompt," but now that I learned, this is so much easier than using like a GUI.
I don't want to use Git GUI. I want to
You just
use
want
the command line.
download Git for wait, what? Oh, just do download.
Download.
Okay. Yep.
Next. Next.
You don't need an icon on the desktop. Explorer integrations might be nice. Large file support is definitely nice. Yes, you want that. Check. You don't need daily Git Windows updates. What is the? I can't really read that. Add a Git Bash profile to Windows Terminal. Sure. Yeah. Okay. These options are good. Click next.
Experience, stop
Okay.
texting me.
I can't read this. This is too small for me to read. What does it say?
Use Vim. Use
It's
Notepad++.
default.
Use Visual Studio Code. Do I use Vim? For the meme.
Do you actually no, just do you have like Notepad? Do you just have your basic Notepad or Notepad++? Actually,
Yeah.
do you have Notepad++?
Yeah.
Use Notepad++ will be good for Windows. Let Git decide. No, you don't want to override the default branch name. You should let Git decide. Git from the command line. Use Git, an optional Unix tool. Use Git from Git Bash. Use Git from command line and also from third-party software. Yes, recommended.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Use the bundled OpenSSH. Yes, use a bundled OpenSSH. Use OpenSSL library. Yes. I think you should do all of these next options as the defaults because this stuff is pretty complicated. Yes. Use min_tty. Yes, you want fast forward or merge. Yes, you want Git credential manager. Yes, you want file system caching. You do not want symbolic links since you're not on Unix.
See? She's goated. She taught Sand how to think. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This should work just in your terminal too, but
yeah, it was
if
added
it
to the
doesn't work,
path.
you can try just git clone again. No? Okay. You might actually need to close this and restart a new terminal. Okay, so you need to change directory back to
Oh,
remember, you need
yeah.
to change directory to the folder and then oh, thanks. I don't
Mr.
really
Miyagi of coding.
I don't feel like that is special, but okay.
You
Thank
are in
you.
my chat.
Hey, look, it worked!
Hell yeah, brother.
Okay. Let's practice making a change. Leave this terminal open.
Okay.
Leave this terminal open. Now that you have your project directory, we're going to open it in Godot. So we're going to do import existing project, go to your projects folder, and select.
Oh yes.
Is that the actual one from the Git clone?
No.
So you want the one from Git clone.
Godot engine projects doors. Select this folder. Import and edit. BRB. Enjoy your BRB, Silver.
Okay. Wait, you don't have this. Oh, double click on main.tscn. Now, here's the thing. Godot says that it's going to, like, you can use a version control module. We're not going to do that because Godot project directories are incredibly simple. We don't really need to use, like, we don't need to use GUI version control for this.
Okay.
And we probably shouldn't. The project directories are going to be super simple. It's if anything bad happens, if anything does get messed up, we can fix it because it's going to be very straightforward. So
Cool.
let's do a little project where we're just going to make an asset and we're going to give it a script. Okay.
Okay.
So we're in main.tscn. You see there's the scene bar on the left top side, the top left
Yes.
bar. This is your project hierarchy. This will contain all of the game components
Okay.
and the appropriate or corresponding hierarchy between game components. Our root node is just a node 3D node, which means it's a default empty node or default empty game object that can exist in 3D space.
Okay.
This is basically the same as like a spatial 3D object as opposed to like a spatial 2D object, which just represents a set of XY coordinates in 2D space.
Yeah.
This is XYZ coordinates in 3D space. But other than that, it has no mesh, it has no behavior, no properties. It just right now represents a position.
Yes.
We can we should leave this. Let's rename it to Origin.
Rename this to Origin?
Yeah.
That's the world
Okay.
origin. Let's go.
Exactly. Yep. We're just gonna leave that there as
That's
our
gonna
0,
stay
0.
there.
Yep. And then now we can add some new nodes as children of origin. So we're gonna click on the plus sign. We can add a child node. Yep. Let's look for some 3D meshes. We can expand node 3D. Probably will give us some access to some basic meshes. We're gonna go for
Collision polygon 3D?
Collision is meant for like actually creating a bounding box. That doesn't have
Oh,
the actual
okay.
mesh.
So that's a collision. Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna look for like what is our basic mesh object.
Besh.
Where mesh? Why? Scroll up. Scroll up. Can we expand collision object 3D?
Physics
body
3D. Rigid body.
Static. Wait. Expand static body 3D.
Animatable body 3D.
Let's do character body 3D. We might be able to attach a mesh to that. Okay, let's rename this to player.
Player.
Okay, now we need the actual mesh. If we add a node as a child of player, scroll down. Scroll up. What happens if we expand node 3D again?
This is the same stuff.
It doesn't have any like cancel.
Cancel. You want to go to asset library?
No, I thought that there was physics body collision object 3D. Okay, wait, let's look on the right-hand side on the inspector.
Oh, here.
So the inspector, so the left represents the hierarchy of game objects and the right is the inspector for individual objects. You can
Okay.
inspect the properties and components of one object at a time. This is very standard setup and layout for many
Yeah.
different game engines. I believe that metadata is not the same as like a new. No, this would not be the same as
Yeah.
like a new component. And usually to add components, we just add them as child game objects. So would it be under like No, would it be under? Okay, I'm gonna look this up. I don't remember.
We're looking it up. We're looking it up.
I don't remember how to import a mesh.
Asset library. Just fucking. Godot 3D cursor. Oh, that's cool.
It should just be called mesh.
Edge.
Mesh is a type of resource.
Oh, so.
If you do search, if you start. I don't think that's the same thing. If you like search for mesh, what happens? Mesh instance.
There it is.
Yes. Mesh instance. Okay. Inspector, not history. Inspector.
There it is.
Okay, now we can change the mesh.
Geometry. Look at that. And skeleton.
That, yeah. And now let's just do a new sphere mesh.
Sphere mesh. New sphere mesh. Oh shit, boys.
Okay.
It's starting.
Let's see. Now that we have the mesh for our player and our player as a node that we could be able to control, let's also add something for the like world environment. We're going to right click on origin, add a new child of origin, so that way it's a sibling of player. We're going to first expand node 3D.
Node 3D.
Let's see. We're going to do we did scroll up. What did we do? We did collision object, visual instance. We don't want to specify the visual instance yet. We want to maybe expand a collision object again. Physics
Area
body.
3D.
A region of 3D space that detects other objects entering or exiting it. Yeah, actually that could work. Okay, so that's a 3D area. Now we need to give this a mesh too.
Okay.
So here's something to keep in mind is that because of the node structure, all of the things that we want to attach to something have to be like attached as a node. So you add them in here, and then this is going to be, let's do a
new plane mesh, right?
Well, a plane will have no depth. A plane will just be XY. We want XYZ, so maybe we should do quad or box mesh. Let's do a box mesh, and we'll just shrink one of the EOX.
There it is.
Yeah, and we'll just shrink down some of the transforms. So the X scale. Y scale.
Oh.
Let's change the Y scale to be 0.5.
Oh no.
That's currently Z scale. You're looking at Z scale. So set Z back to 1.
Yeah.
Set Y to 0.5. Okay. Now set X to like 5 and Z to 5.
Enter. Come on.
Press enter. Yep. Okay, now for the player, we're going to move the player node up, but not the mesh instance.
Yeah.
You'll see when you move the transforms, you can use the gizmo. You can use the gizmo in 3D view.
Oh, that scale.
Reset. Use the there we go. See how the mesh was moved with the parent?
Yeah.
This is what we mean by, like, the mesh is only one component of the player.
Yeah.
The player itself will also have several other nodes. If we did like a 3D modeled player, this could have this could have animations with which we would need an animation controller that would be a child node of the player.
Yeah.
And then we would need, if we wanted to like make sounds, we need like an audio player as a child of the player game object. So this is what we mean by all of this node stuff is hierarchied. The game objects themselves are hierarchied.
It has global illumination in it?
Yeah.
God damn.
Godot's pretty good.
D1 Godot, pretty baller.
Okay, so now we're going to just try out some scripting. We're just going to attach a script to the player. So we can right click and we will do attach script and we'll just call it wait, don't click create yet. Click cancel. Let's actually make a folder for our script to go in. So that way it's a little bit more organized.
Okay.
Under the bottom of the left-hand side, we have our file system. Our file system, we can make a new folder, and we'll just call this underscore scripts.
Oh.
No, just underscore scripts. Oh,
Why
sorry,
the underscore?
I mean, no, we just want it to be lowercase. Sorry, not underscore, just lowercase. Just scripts.
We got there in the end.
Now we want to attach a script to the player. And then we could put it inside the scripts folder.
Okay, attach script. We want it.
And then you do want it to be called player.gd, but we don't want it to be... No. You don't need to do it that way. You can also just click on the folder icon to change it. Click cancel. Click go up. Click on the folder again.
This right here?
Yeah. Click up on the path. Okay, yeah. And then now double click in and click OK. Okay, alright. This is
okay,
fine.
I just didn't have to do the double.
Yeah. Now we can click create.
Let's go. We got there.
Hey, look at that. It set up like some basic script for us.
Hells yeah.
If we just press Control S to save this. Now if we click on 3D. Like at the top.
Oh. 3D.
See how we're in script view? We can
Yeah.
change views to go back to 3D view. Now on the right, on the top right side, if we click play, we can try this out.
Play.
We want to select our main scene, and we can select our current scene because it is the main. Yep.
Oh shit.
Oh, we have no camera. We have no camera, no.
Oh, it's okay.
So we should add a camera as child of the origin.
Child of the origin.
Yeah, because camera should not be a child of the player.
Oh yes.
Yeah, camera
there we are.
Camera is a sibling of player. Okay. We can move the camera around, like just you can use the gizmos, drag it back so that way you can view the player ball.
View the ball.
That's probably good.
Chat, we're viewing the ball.
We can save this now. And then try pressing play again. We should actually see stuff. Wow! We saw the ball fall.
We saw the ball for like a femtosecond. Hells yeah, bro. This is a game and shit.
So this is, I think these are enough changes now. We can do a git commit. So
okay.
We're going to go to our console. we're in Godot Engine projects. We're going to change directory into the doors project. So cd doors. Now we can do we're gonna do git add dot, just add space dot, because the dot will mean add all.
Okay. So just this?
Adding, yeah, that means add all current changes to your future commit.
Okay.
So press enter. Now we're going to do our commit. We're going to do git commit -m. -m meaning like the main or the master branch.
Okay.
Oh, -m is a separate term.
Oh,
So
-m. So it's a flag.
Yeah, exactly. And then now we're going to open up a set of quotation marks, and you can put in your commit message. This will probably be like add player. Okay. Sure. Now press enter.
Okay.
Now it's saying, okay, author identity unknown. This means when you're going to push, it's not going to know who you are. It doesn't know what your Git account is. So you need to do those commands to tell it your the email associated with your Codebird account.
User dot email. It should be
whatever email you use to sign up for Codebird.
Hey, Jack, go fuck yourself. I'm kidding. Don't go fuck yourself. I'm just not gonna show you that. I want to make sure. What's the fucking email that I associated this with? Yes, that. Git config dash global user dot name digital
yeah, you could just leave it as digital. Perfect. Okay, now you're gonna do. You've already made the commit, so you don't have to redo the commit message. But you now, if you try to push, it's gonna tell you you need to log in. So git push. Yep, and you have to sign in.
I definitely used a suggested password. No. I will look away.
I am looking away. Don't worry.
Look away. Don't look.
I am. I'm not looking.
Ah, god damn it. Should be that screen. Chill. We are good. Copy. Paste. Remember this device. Authorize application. You can now close this page. Okay.
Try git push again. Okay, maybe it just worked. Try git. Wait. Let me take a look at the.
Obdberg.
Let's see if your commit went through. Master branch versus main branch. Uh, um,
Did I do it?
it's not showing up.
Ah.
Okay, try. Hold on. Just temporarily go to your file system.
Ish.
Right click on doors. Click on copy. Like copy the folder.
Copied.
Just paste it back into this directory, and then just name it something like doors backup. Okay. Now you're gonna go back to your terminal. You're gonna do git fetch, git pull. Okay, you're gonna try git merge origin. No, git merge origin, and then master.
Just all that?
Press enter. Yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna try git add dot git commit no. Remember,
Oh, no.
we need
Uh,
git. See, you need to do git commit dash m quotation marks, and then your commit message. Okay, enter. Now do git push. Okay, master to master failed to push some refs. Remote for user permission denied. Oh, I need to add you.
this fucking guy didn't add me. Didn't fucking add me.
I need to add you as a collaborator.
Chat. Shun.
Your name is Ryan.
I think so. Welcome back, Silver.
Welcome back, Silver.
Committing gits. I'm doing git commits. But I'm not because Ivo didn't add me as a collaborator.
What is your GitHub your Codeberg username?
Is my name. It should be.
Is it with the dash in the middle?
No. Yes, first name, space, last name.
Ryan _ Okay. I will not dox you.
Don't dox. I mean, you can. I wouldn't lose my mind.
There we go. You are added. Now try you don't have to do like the whole git commit n again. Just do git push. Yay!
Let's fucking go!
Okay. Now let's check it out on Codeberg. It wasn't balls plural. This is on
there it is.
Master branch.
Yo! I did it!
You did it! Congratulations, your first commit too. Like
Chat, I did it.
Your first use of version control.
I did it. I'm so proud of myself. I did so good. We are so there. All right. So, we continue.
Okay, so now...
As long as you're having fun. If you're not having fun, we can just fucking...
So, okay, so if now that we've actually, like, seen how to do stuff and just how to do, like, version control, I don't actually want to do, like, rollable.
Rollball.
Kind of like, I don't want to do rollable, but let's look at assets. Like, let's let's look at like assets. Let's get inspired. Um,
I'm
I
gonna
like browsing assets on itch.
door. Let's get
Browse Doom
inspired.
assets.
Oh, not Microsoft Edge. Actually, fucking. Whew. What's it called? IO. Go to their assets.
Let's see like 3D stuff. Yeah. Here. These are free. Hold on. Are you filtering by free?
No. Fuck. Oh shit. I need a link. Thank you. Copy link. Link.
Here we go. So these are free, but I couldn't get it to. Oh, there we go. 3D. Yay. Adventurers. Oh, polyhuman babe.
Modular village pack. Voxel robot assets. That's pretty cool. Tiny texture pack. Cute.
Oh, hey, I made a project with my other student using Ultimate Platformer Pack.
Really? Where? Where is that?
It's in
Right
that row.
there.
Right there. Yeah.
Oh, are we gonna make fucking Animal Crossing?
No, we just made a very, very simple. Oh.
Dude, you know what I want to do? Actually, kind of good idea.
Oh, hold on. I have to go. 1 second.
Oh, F.
Hold on 1 second.
F.
I'll be right back.
She will be back. So, hear me out, chat. What if we did like a game that was like the visual style of Animal Crossing, but with the gameplay and gore of Doom Eternal? You know, like the meme, you know, Animal Crossing and Doom Eternal. They both came out on the same day, so they made the song. Fucking YouTube, Doom Crossing Eternal Horizons. You know this? Hey, YouTube, just let me fucking watch this. Hell yeah. You guys should go watch this. This is the vibe I want to go for. See? This is like the vibe I'd like to go for. Oh, this is so cute. Dude. I have that unicorn outfit on Doom, by the way. I do too. I think I played through the first game or through Doom Eternal with it. It was great. I love that game. But just hear me out, right? Like, just like a little baby gun that shoots like little pop things. It goes pop 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 like fucking what's it called? Plants vs. Zombies. But then you can run up to them and literally just like rip them in half in the most gory fucking thing you've ever seen. I think that would be funny. I can't wait for that either. I think that would be funny. I think that would be easy to fucking do. You just rip things in half. I think that would be a funny, cute little game. I don't know. We'll see what Ivo says whenever she gets back. Oh shit. This has like a door. That goes to what I was wanting to do earlier, but I mean as cool as it is, you know, like industrial environment. You got to beat on max you're going to beat it on max difficulty like you did Eternal? I didn't beat Doom Eternal on max difficulty. I'm a baby bitch. I don't even want to lie to the people. I don't want to lie to you people. Yeah, I didn't beat it on. I didn't beat it on the max difficulty. I wish I did. But you know, things happen. .3D character animations. Low poly weapon pack. I'm just saying.
Okay, I'm back.
Ivo?
Some random guy showed up at our doorstep.
That's weird. A random guy.
Okay.
Fuck off.
Well,
I don't know,
he's
Silver.
supposed to be there. He was supposed to be there, but like it was just not at a time any of us were expecting.
People and their schedules. Cringe. I have an idea.
What's your idea?
So hear me out. An extremely cute looking, like animal style arts or Animal Crossing art style. And it's just a cute little shooter where you just shoot little random cute things. And then you can go up to them and execute them in the most brutal fucking fashions possible.
Do you want to start with something a little bit less ambitious?
Hey, man.
Okay, we could do just like some 3D platformer controls with like
Okay.
some characters.
She's bringing me back down to earth. Okay, where was it? This?
Do you want to do 3D platformer or like yeah, this actually has assets for like 3D platforming shooting. So
Okay.
there's like a little gun and it comes with animations. It's a good pack.
Cool. All right. Download.
Oh, hey, Otto's in chat. Just click on no thanks, take me to the downloads.
If I do actually make something with this, I'm gonna fucking I'll contribute some shit. I'll give him like, you know. There we go. Okay, I got it. My favorite streamer, and Dig is here too.
I was gonna say Ditch isn't a new streamer. I'm technically not a new streamer either.
Well, they like you more than me.
Well, I don't know how, I'm sorry. I don't know how to feel.
I don't know. Grateful. There are no
I just feel
errors. Yeah,
uncomfortable.
fuck off.
Did it work? Did it extract? There we
Didn't.
go. Okay. So we can only import.
Don't be sorry. Let's take over her channel.
Huh?
I don't know. I think everybody wants you to take over my channel because they hate me. How nice of you, chat.
Let's see. So these are some of the assets it comes with. We should make a folder in our game project directory for assets. So we have doors, and let's make a new folder for assets. Let's make a subfolder within that one for player, or no, hold on. Let's do like environment. Maybe we can do like env. Okay. Let's make a subfolder within that for, or not within environment, within assets. Let's make a subfolder called
We did make a player's script. Or players. Did we make a player's folder in scripts? I don't think we did. Never mind.
we didn't make a player's folder. I'm just trying to think ahead of like what's the best way to like organize this.
This is a good idea. To be clear, like this should be organized.
We have our environments folder. We have
Characters?
Yeah, actually let's just call it char. That's a great one though, because then multiple things that are like animated, and then let's do one more that's called like
Environment, characters. Effects.
Does this folder have, or does this project have effects in it? Okay, let's just start with char and environment. Let's hit cancel.
All right.
And then let's kind of start moving over stuff that we like. So
Okay.
in the Coternius the Coternius folder.
Oh. I'm just not using my brain. Asset packs. Ultimate that.
So there's character, cubes, enemies.
Yeah.
And then these are kind of also combined with like multiple 3D object types, which is really nice.
Oh, here, let's go assets, environment. You can put like this, and this.
Oh, we don't need all of those. We should only bring over stuff as we need it. We're not going to need
That's true.
every little
BRB
thing
again?
inside each one of those.
Should you paper plan the game first? No.
No. Bad.
No.
It's a terrible idea.
Having a plan?
Planning
No.
is such a terrible idea. We just
Yeah,
make
honestly,
it
like,
feel.
why would we plan? Do you think we're gonna finish this?
Oh,
Brother,
summer
if you
child.
think you're gonna be able to play this on itch.io, you got another thing fucking coming. Not only because this is never going to be released, this is just a test thing. Also because .io domains are going away or something. I don't fucking know. I heard something about that recently. And I'm like,
I heard
oh,
something
okay.
about that too. So it's okay. We definitely know we want some stuff in character. So let's go into character. Let's choose our blend option since I'm pretty sure Godot can just support those. Yeah, let's bring all three of those into assets char, not assets env. No.
Yes.
We don't want the blend folder. We just want the raw blends.
Oh.
Yep. Okay.
Wait, I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to like take them from there. It's good to keep the source.
Ah, Blender 3D. Hey, you need to get Blender. Do you have a Blender executable?
I can get. Did you know that Blender is on Steam?
I did.
It's free.
Blender will always be free. The day that Blender is not free anymore is the day that we know we have fully embraced living in a dystopia.
Yeah. Chat, don't tell her. Chat, don't tell
Are
her.
there people out here paying for Blender?
Chat, don't tell her.
Oh no.
Hold on.
Let's see. I mean, I know that you can do donations. You can donate to Blender.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, where is it? Fucking get involved. Blender Foundation. I was gonna show that like every fucking just everything. Credits. There we go. Credits. Yeah, contributors. Yes. Organizations. AMD. Apple. Auto CRC. Fucking Facebook. Intel. Nvidia. Unity. They are donations. 100% no incentive.
So, did you actually install Blender? Or did you just open it in your Steam library and then not click the install button?
I installed it. I just need to go to... One second. I keep hearing Discord notifications, but not on my Discord. Or not on my systems, just like in my house.
Your sisters use Discord?
Yeah, but they don't live here.
Oh. Oh no.
I'm getting you know what's happening?
Imagine if the voices in your head were just like constant notification sounds. Like imagine if you had schizophrenia, but instead of like hearing voices, you're just constantly hearing like app notifications.
Yes. That's what I'm feeling right now. All right, characters. Character.blend.
Okay, so in order to so now we do load
assets, characters.
Character. Change it from all recognized to all files. And now we can do character.blend. Probably just character.blend. Selected resource does not... Oh, okay, let's try the import version.
Yes.
Remember to change the file type.
All files.
Did it work? Cannot load. Oh, maybe it shouldn't be these .blend files. Okay, maybe we should do like .object files or something.
.obj.
If they have them.
This is the final step towards Arma 4 Dig version. Auto. Steam. I just think it would be really funny to make a really, really cute game. Just somebody like collecting butterflies and then finding a gun and then shooting something and just like ripping it in half. Chesterfield Interactive. Get the fuck off, Otto.
Yes, Chester Interactive.
I hate this. I don't want this.
Look at this cute character. This could totally be the character who like murders everyone. Wait, Digital. We are supposed to import the .obj files.
I know, but there isn't .obj. Oh wait,
Are there? Remember,
don't
we have
save.
to go outside of the folder.
FBX.
Oh, yeah, these might work.
FBX is fucked. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Load characters. All files. FPX.
Okay, click. Okay, what if we just drag and drop it in? Hey, okay, so FBX works.
That's all, dude. What are you up to?
Okay, what if we do drag it? What if we just drag and drop the .blend file?
.blend.
Oh, wait. One of the nice things about the FBX, it comes with the animations. See how the
Well,
.blend is still doing the T-pose?
Yeah. I guess it does.
So the FBX version comes with the animations. I guess we should just use the FBX.
Okay.
Congratulations, Blorbo acquired. They will play soccer.
They will play soccer and just kick each other's fucking heads in. What is my man up to? What are you up to, dog?
Oh, what's up, dog?
What's up, brother?
Okay, we have the Blorbo. We should clean up the directories to make it so that way we only have FBX files.
Yes.
If the blends don't work as nicely as the FBX.
Oh.
So let's just use FBX. So get rid of all blends and all blend imports. Whoa!
Delete.
Yahoo!
Whoa!
How fucking dare you? How fucking
What
dare
just
you,
happened?
Otto?
I'll have you know. I'll have you know. I am the streamer now. I am the streamer.
This is now how I will sound for the rest of the stream.
Why?
Wait.
Is this interesting? I don't know if it's
You
that
were
good or
like-
not.
Digital, you were like far down the ADHD like
Hey.
tangent spiral.
Hey. No, I'm not. On Twitch streaming. That's how it works. Sad.
I'm sorry.
I will
is
cry
really
right
funny.
now.
No, I take
Chat?
it back. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna become a Make-A-Wish kid. I know I'm 24, but like,
So you cleaned up
what?
Peter Griffin getting thrown down the Death Star reactor sound.
I didn't even hear it. That's the sad part. Is I don't even get to hear it.
It sounds very funny. I mean, it is interesting.
It
Oh,
is.
so that's
That's
why you
good.
couldn't tell. That's why you couldn't tell when you were on vocoder for like 10 minutes straight.
Yeah, because there's a delay
Okay.
to the listen back bit. So
So we cleaned the folder, right?
yes,
We
folder
just have
is
FBX
clean.
files. Okay, let's drag over maybe some other assets we might want, and then we'll practice setting up a git ignore because we want
Wait.
to ignore the assets folder.
1 second. 1 second. I have to do
Yes.
this.
What are you gonna do?
Just, I have to do this.
What is it?
One moment. Yes, there we go.
The assets folder. The greatest assets folder that anybody's ever seen. Nobody's seen assets like mine.
Is this AI?
No, it's not AI. I'm just the billionaire.
Is this like one of the voice mod effects now? They made a Donald Trump voice mod.
Maybe.
So
Maybe
this
they
is
have.
digital. Wow.
Hello, your next president.
I didn't realize that voice
China.
I didn't realize that voice mod got so sophisticated.
It's
They could
genuinely
actually
unsettling,
make
isn't it? Isn't it?
It is unsettling. It is very unsettling.
I can be whoever the hell I
really
want to
is.
be.
So it actually is AI that works in real time.
I don't think it is.
It's just
1 second. I need to find this. Hold on. Not Jackie. We don't want Jackie. Sorry, we are on the ADHD tangent now. What does this sound like?
I don't know what to expect.
I am Tonkin Chief.
What the heck? You sounded like a Vocaloid.
I should do Onkin Chief. This gonna get shot in here now? I don't know.
Why does it sound Chinese?
I don't know. I'm just living. Are we unsettled right now?
I'm very unsettled. What is this? Is this for like... Okay, wait a second. Did like the voice mod makers make a voice for people to just automatically sound like they're a VTuber?
I guess. I actually
Because
don't
this
know
is-
what this sounds like.
This
I'm
sounds
kind of like-
really sus.
I mean, does it sound like Hawaii passing?
No, it sounds like you're obviously using some sort of voice changer.
Oh,
And it sounds really, really fake, and it sounds really creepy.
What about this? I am now
Why?
Corin.
You're now what? Who?
Corin.
Who is Corin?
I don't fucking know.
This
Here
is
we go.
creepy.
This is what Otto wanted to hear.
Oh my gosh, is this Biden?
The fact that you clocked that so quickly scares me. Yes.
I'd rather, honestly,
This is
I'd
Bo
much rather,
Jiden.
I'd much rather listen to the Biden voice than to the VTuber voice.
That's fair. Alright, so this is how we're gonna be going for the next 5 minutes.
Hey, I would love to do some game dev with Joe Biden.
Bo Jiden. We're gonna do some game dev. I'm so excited.
Okay, Mr. President.
Yes. Hey,
We're
shut
going
up,
to
Silver. Knucklehead.
We're going to try to. We need to set up a git ignore file so that way when we make commits to Codeberg, will ignore the asset folder so that way we don't accidentally like redistribute and break the copyright for these assets. Okay. So we're going to put in the folder. We're going to do a new line that will be /assets. And then you can just save that.
All
That
right.
should ignore the entire assets folder.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, I was wrong. Open up the git ignore again.
Git ignore.
Sorry, I got the it should be assets / not /
Okay.
assets.
That's
So
what I
get rid
was
of the-
thinking.
Get rid of the / or get rid of the / at the front actually.
Okay.
Try this. Let's save this.
I've saved it.
Okay, we're gonna open up the console. They're gonna open up the terminal and try out our git. We're gonna try a git
Git
add dot.
add dot.
Okay, we're gonna try git commit -m quotation marks.
This is Bo Jiden committing committing
Wow, you're
sorry,
really sticking to the bit. Huh?
what are we doing here again? Remind me.
You remember, you know exactly how to play the role of Joe Biden. Anyways.
Oh, yes. We were committing
Okay. We're committing some character models. You could just say like committing asset import. I'm so young. 2 files changed, 8 insertions, 2 deletions. Try now git push.
Git push.
Hooray!
Gosh.
Congratulations on your first commit, Mr. President.
Thank you. You know, you can always teach an old dog new tricks.
You should clip this.
I would, but I actually do not know what a clip is. What do you mean?
Someone in chat.
I'm
will
new
clip
to
it.
this live streaming thing. I'm gonna be out of a job in a week or so, like a couple months. I got my 2 weeks notice and
don't worry, there's plenty of time for you to learn new skills to prepare you for entering the workforce again.
that is true. I will need this. I will need to update my resume.
It's getting scary.
What's the issue? I'm Joe Biden. I'm trying to learn game dev. I'm trying to get into the industry. I have so much time left on this earth that I really want to get into this. Understand it.
Hold on, I can take a screenshot of this, of Mr. Joe Biden's commit history. Take a rectangular region screenshot.
Do you guys trust your ears now? Like, do you guys
Never.
trust anything that happens in the world now? Because as your president, I fucking don't, dog. This is crazy. Wait.
Anyway. It was a good bit.
So it was a good bit. Let's. I really want to upload this screenshot for you just because it's so funny. Pictures, screenshots.
This is Bo Jiden committing asset imports. First time for me. I'm so young. Supple, really.
Okay.
Dude, I'm so excited because later I'm gonna be streaming with my friend Graphics, and we're gonna do what's it called? Space Marine 2.
And this is what I'm gonna sound like.
Yep.
This sounds correct? Brah.
Okay, so let's see. Now that we have like some assets,
Yes.
we can just honestly, whenever I try to do game dev, I kind of just follow YouTube tutorials. Like I don't really
That's based. I mean, that's kind of how to do it, though, huh? I mean, or go to college, right?
I didn't study like game dev in college.
No, I know.
What's a good playlist? Maybe this one.
We're getting real into game dev here, boys. We're watching YouTube videos. Learn how to game dev. Copy link.
Yeah, auto clipped it.
Auto clipped it?
This project is from the ground up for absolute beginners, so we will start.
Put it in my clips channel. In Stream Corner. An old dog. Hold on. Here we are.
Hey.
Gosh,
Congratulations on your first commit, Mr. President.
thank you, thank you. You know, you can always teach an old dog new tricks.
Wow.
You should clip this.
That's
You know, I would, but I actually do not know what a clip is. What do you mean?
That's impressive.
I'm new to this live streaming.
Yeah,
thing.
this voice
you know,
mod
I'm gonna
really
be out of a
is.
job in a week or so. You know, like my couple
Oh my
months.
gosh. Thank you so much,
got my 2
Otto.
weeks
Thank you for
notice,
clipping this.
and
That is actually very impressive. I gotta watch more of Bo Jiden so that I can like really embody the
You.
character.
You need to watch this Godot tutorial.
All right, chat. Everybody sit down, open your notebooks. We're going to be taking some notes here.
So, I'm basically all I would try to do is just follow this tutorial and like try to use some of the assets from the folder we downloaded.
That is true. We got to do it together though, Ivo.
Okay, let's watch them.
I was like, okay.
In my game engine of choice, Godot engine. Find your way to Godot engine.
Oh, I can't hear. That's okay. It's probably muting.
Shit. 1 second. Open sound settings. This should go for this.
Download latest, which for me.
Can you hear it now?
4.1.
Is the video playing?
Yes.
Of the engine. It works on Windows.
Oh, my internet's having issues.
And more recently on mobile too. Once you have unzipped that download.
I mean, it's streaming the video fine.
I know, but I want you to have audio.
No, okay. I mean, as in, like, the internet issues can't be explained by the fact that the stream is working well.
Okay.
Anyways.
Godot and select New Project
Uh,
from the Project Manager window. In the project name text box, I will name the project
I mean, I could just
Basic
watch this
3D
video
Platform.
separately too.
Click Create
That is
And-
true.
and then Create and Edit.
But then our viewers will just feel like out of the loop.
Well, I'm watching it on stream. So,
Now we are in the editor proper, I will take a moment to cover the key areas we will be interacting with.
okay.
The top bar holds menu buttons on the left, 4
That's
buttons
cool.
for the main screens in the center, and playback controls on the right.
All right.
The main screen buttons determine what is in the middle of our display. By default, in 3D mode, this will
Okay, by the way, chat, if you like this video that we are watching, go like and subscribe to Bramwell. He's the GOAT. I don't actually know if he is, but we're watching his tutorial, so I feel it's best to
be our
keep his
viewport
name up
showing
there.
us the game world. On the left are 2 docks, the scene tree showing virtual objects in our game, and the file system for accessing resources like images, sound files, and the like. On the right is another dock containing the inspector. This is where we will configure our game objects. Now we are in the game engine proper, we can get our starting 3D scene set up. We need 3 things to be able to see our game world in action: a camera, a world environment, and a light source. Create a new 3D scene by selecting the 3D scene option from the scene tree dock. This node 3D is the root of our scene, and we can add more nodes as children of it. Click the plus icon at the top of the screen to create a new node, or use the shortcut Ctrl and A. Type Camera 3D into the search bar at the top of the Create New Node window, and click on the Camera 3D node from the list below and click the Create button to add this new Camera 3D to our scene. This camera allows us to see the game world when we run the game, but at the moment there is nothing in it to display, so we need to add a world environment and a light. At the top of the
Okay.
viewport, there is a toolbar with buttons for previewing our game world. Select the button with 3 vertical dots. This opens a menu for adding preview environments to the scene.
Okay.
Click the Add Sun to Scene and Add Environment to Scene buttons to add the default world environment and directional light 3D to the scene.
I
You
see.
can customize colors and light angles with the options in this menu. Now we can get our scene
Alright.
running in real time. In the top bar on the far right, you will see 6 buttons that are all playback controls. Click the Run Current Scene button, which looks like a play button on a clipboard. Godot will then prompt you to save the scene if you haven't already. I will name the scene level.scene in the file prompt at the bottom, and click Save.
Okay.
A window will open with our game running, and this will look like the viewport in the Godot editor itself.
Okay, so I already learned 2 new things. I should add the
Yeah.
sun to the scene and add the environment to the scene. And now, when I play it, oh, there it went.
They fall, but hey, at least it's not all gray now.
Yeah, there's actually things there. Wow, this
Mhm.
tutorial is baller.
Just showing the procedural sky we added to in our world environment as viewed from the perspective of this new camera. Now is a good time to add a floor to give us something to look at and get used to orienting objects like the camera. To act as a floor, we need to add a mesh instance 3D to our scene. When you add a node to the scene, it is added as a child of whatever node is selected in the scene tree. Left-click on the node 3D to select it. Selected nodes are highlighted with a pale blue rectangle. With the node 3D selected, open the Create New Node dialog. As you might be able to remember, we can either use the plus or we can use the shortcut Ctrl and A. In the search bar, find and select Mesh Instance 3D, then click Create.
Okay.
This Mesh Instance 3D node is our essential tool for showing simple 3D shapes. In the scene tree on the left, you should see the mesh instance is now selected with the light blue highlight. If not, select the Mesh Instance 3D by left-clicking on it. When a node is selected in the scene tree, we can access their properties in the inspector on the right.
All right.
In the inspector, the Mesh Instance 3D node has a mesh
I
property
think
where we can select how it should look from a variety of primitive shapes, like
how do I
box.
say this? I think I'm gonna head out because a lot of this is like just watching tutorials because
Yeah.
I don't really have a whole lot to teach you, and making stuff is usually part of the process of making stuff. Like with game engines, for me, is just look up a thing of a tutorial showing how to make the thing you want to make and then do it.
Yeah.
Which is not, it's not a very collaborative process for like person to person, at least not yet.
That's
because
fair.
I'm not that experienced yet, but this is something I think that we could just keep coming back to and like adding stuff if we want.
Yeah. Well, I did want to do this collaborative with you, and so I'll probably stop the stream for now, but then like continue learning and messing with
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that would be a good idea, and I'll work more in Godot and do more tutorials and stuff like that. And I would also like to preserve some energy for later stream.
Mm-hmm.
Later stream.
Yeah. I want to go to the gym before my lecture starts.
That is fair. That is fair. You know, if I went to the gym, that would be cool. Yo, I should do a gym stream. I'm kidding.
Oh, do people do those?
Yeah. 100%.
Why? Why?
Like they're like fucking fitness influencers and shit.
But I don't know. It just feels like
It is cringe.
that's something that like you don't need to publicize that. You don't need to make that public for other people, I guess. I don't know.
Well, it's their whole brand thing. It's like they're fitness YouTubers. They'll just go to the gym and fucking stream that shit. They'll show how they have horrible gym etiquette. They are very sweaty, and they do not wipe up after themselves. Yucky, gross people.
Yikes.
Yikes.
Okay, but yeah, I'm probably gonna head out just so that I can have some time to relax before, or go to the gym and have time to relax before lecture.
All right. Well, thank you for joining and doing game dev.
Yeah, thank you for having me. It was really fun to. It was really fun to chat with your audience.
Yeah. Hey, chat. Everybody, say goodbye to Sensei.
Aw.
Say goodbye to Mrs. Miyagi.
Goodbye, chat.
She's really cool. We'll do more of this. I do want to do more game dev stuff. It probably won't be, with both of us, but Otto says goodbye.
I want to have more time to also just hang out with like you and Otto.
Yeah. We could game and shit. We could, bro. I tried to do Star Citizen with Otto yesterday. I'm bringing this up. He gave up.
I don't think. Is Star Citizen even still like? Is it a real game yet?
So long story short, that's what the stream yesterday was to figure out, and no.
I thought not. Never was.
Never was. Never going to be. Dude, I wish it was, because it has so much potential.
Man, No Man's Sky feels like the best game trying to accomplish all this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. No Man's Sky does really have that shit on him. But anyways, you go have a good time at the gym. Everybody, again, say thank you to Sensei for joining us. And hopefully we'll stream it again.
Yeah, sounds good.
Once I do more
Alright.
learning.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
All right, now it's just me. Now it's just me, you ungrateful bitches. You ungrateful chatters. All right. So, later today, I don't know the exact time. Let's see. What's the exact time? 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I don't know if you'll be able to make it in fucking it's 124, so 6 would be in 4 hours and 35 minutes. In 4 hours and 35 minutes, I'll be back streaming what's it called? Space Marine 2 with graphics. And yeah. Man. Streaming, using Twitch's enhanced broadcasting is shit. I'm going back to what I was doing before. We're not going to make my main output Twitch anymore. Fuck that. It's shit. Anyway. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for hanging out. We made a wonderful game. And I will see you later today. Thank you for hopping in, everybody. Bye now.